What's going on, guys? So we're gonna get back to our old traditional vlog style videos coming soon. We're talking about doing our intro, real talk, drive, gym, and more real talk, showing you what I do on a daily basis inside not only my office but inside my life. So stick around, subscribe, and let's get to the vlog. All right, check that out. I got a Albuquerque, New Mexico background on my desktop because that's where I am going to be spending some time traveling and doing some travel trading. So definitely stick around for that. And then of course I just made this reel on Instagram talking about having a better average price with SpaceX than the most recent investors, than 90% of investors. I got my goals that I'm reviewing, and other than that, we are getting set up, getting ready, getting our mindset shifted to begin traveling a little more, staying in some hotel rooms, seeing the city of Albuquerque. I've been deciding if, maybe I want to check out Phoenix or Denver or, somewhere like that, but I think we're going to stick with Albuquerque first. It's one of the largest cities in New Mexico, and then venture off, maybe eventually go to Denver, maybe eventually go to Phoenix again. I do have some travel vlog videos already out, but yeah, this is fun. This is an exciting time to be alive. It's summer, kids are out of school. We're gonna hit up some hotels, some pools, some different areas that we find fun in. Maybe go to the zoo, the aquarium, stuff like that. So stay tuned and subscribe. And up there, you guys see, that is Phoenix skyline. Or I'm sorry, Miami. That is a Miami skyline right there. And so eventually, maybe even go to Florida. Who knows? But definitely an exciting day. We did trade SpaceX today. I did talk about it in my Instagram stories and my Instagram reel. But buying down here, sub 151, 150 level, and selling around 150, 350. It didn't move. It didn't really go anywhere that I thought it would. I bought the support level here at this level, and I seen the resistance. Now it's hit support level yesterday and the day before around 150s, and then hit that 165 or 160 range. I thought maybe it could do it again today, and it didn't. It basically just flatlined. So moving into tomorrow, we could see this trade actually work out, and then we end up taking another trade. So other than that, locked in $35 today, nothing crazy. It wasn't a huge win by any means, but we made some decent money this week. Anyways, I haven't tallied it all up. We still got one more trading day tomorrow, which is Friday, and then I'll tally it all up. But I think we're sitting right around $200 or $300 for the week. We made $300 last week, so that's been pretty typical over the last, 6 months of trading this year, 2026, locking in anywhere from $200 to $400 every single week. So it's been amazing. We're still trying to hit those $100 a day goals, and eventually getting up to $200 a day, $300, $400, $500 a day, and eventually those $1,000 days. But it takes time. I still remember a time when I was barely making $5 or $10 a day, and the account wasn't very big. Now we're sitting around 65,000. Let's see, I put it on my Instagram, so you can definitely check out my Instagram. But we just surpassed 6,434. We made $100 this day, $101, and that brought in $300 for last week. So again, pretty typical, making anywhere from $80 to $100 a day. Some days we only lock in $30, some days we lose a couple bucks, but the point is to make sure that our wins are smaller. I'm risking anywhere from $10 to $20 per trade, and I'm looking for a 1 to 3, a 1 to 4 risk to reward. So if I'm risking $20 and I want a 1 for 3 setup, then I'm making about 60 bucks. A lot of times they're 1 for 5s, so I'll risk 20 and lock in anywhere from 90 to 100 bucks, and it's really good, especially when you see setups like this where you can buy at the support level, have a nice little stop loss setup, and then you could actually have your resistance level set up And I could showcase that to you real quick now that we're on here. Basically, you go to drawings, you go over to this, or you go over to this little area, long position, and this is what we can do. So I was buying around 151. I figured if it dropped below, 150s, I would get out. So we're risking 1 or about 0.69%. Our target was way up here, and that was a trade that I was looking to make today. And again, it didn't necessarily play out the way that way, but because I was buying around this level, you can see even if at 151, risking 1% to make around 8%, that was a 1 for 8 risk to reward. And sometimes it plays out that way, sometimes it don't. Like the day before, this was a very solid move. It bounced right off of the support level here, and we could draw another long position. I'm getting in at say 150. I have a risk about 147, risking about 2% to make 9%. So beautiful trade setups. That was a 1 for 5, basically maybe like a 1 for 4, closer to a 1 for 5. That played out very nicely. So even just having setups like that on a daily basis, having very small risk with a larger reward, and making sure you manage that risk can result in growing your account over time. So hope you guys enjoyed. Now let's move on with the blog. Check out my spider. I named him Aragog after the giant spider off of Harry Potter. He's pretty big. It's a wolf spider. This is the enclosure I made it. Pretty cool. Gonna make some chicken wraps with the garden spinach herb. All these veggies, cheese, ranch, and some chicken that I cut up. It's gonna be delicious. Diego on his little walk. What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? Oh, you're cute. No, don't attack me. All right, we got our walk completed. 1 mile, not bad. A little windy, a little cloudy, but overall, a good walk. Now let's get home. All right, we just got back from our walk. Gonna drop off the dog, and I say the baby, but our daughter, and then me and the wife are gonna go out and get some supplies to do like a spaghetti with a mushroom chicken white sauce. It's gonna be delicious. So let's do it. Easy, simple dinner: spaghetti with rotisserie chicken, roasted garlic parmesan sauce, and mushrooms. It's gonna be delicious. All right, so I just went to the mailbox after we got home, and my mom sent me a gift. So let's open it together. All right, let's see. APSVO. Go ahead and open it. Wow, that is cool. Wow, it's heavy too. That is really, really nice. Thank you, Mom. Oh, look, it says something on the back. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Joshua 1:9. Thank you, Mom. That is so cool. I'm gonna put it on. Let's take it out and put it on, guys. Should be able to just put it on over my head. Yeah. Nice. This thing is heavy. This is really heavy. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. I'll wear it all the time. Really like it. Thank you. Got the chicken and mushroom sauteing in some oil. We got the spaghetti. I'm just waiting to put in this. All right, our creation is done. Look how good that looks. Got spaghetti. Let's eat. Oh yeah. Top it off with some of this. Dinner and a movie. Watching the new movie Hopper. All right, dinner and a movie is over. time to get over here and start editing the vlog for today. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. And yeah. It's about maybe 10 o'clock at night, so gotta start editing and then we will upload it and get it ready for tomorrow. Later, team. Have a great day.